Morning all, it's Travels and More with Jason here. Well, where are we off to today? Well, checking out the day and heading to Dunkerque. So it's basically another travel day. We're off to Dunkerque for 3 nights, so 4 days. Well, really 3 days. Because the day I check out in Dunkerque, I'm on an early train to Paris, so bit really, you know. We're going to be checking out soon. We're going to grab some breakfast from the bakery next door and head to the train station, back to Calais, change at Calais. I've got about 40 minutes wait in Calais, so maybe go and grab a lunch because that's going to be around 12 o'clock, so about 3 hours time from now. And or I might go a different route. Well, same route, but I might not go to where I went last time when I was in Calais, go up a bit. So that's what we're doing today. Then check in Dunkerque. So don't forget, if you enjoy this channel and like to help me out, join the Patreon and be very helpful. And or membership. Or just subscribe and give me comments and all that. Anyway, let's get going. I need some breakfast. Oh, last night, not too bad. Not much noise. So I obviously didn't only had a party in one night. This is what you can get for breakfast. It's near the end of breakfast now anyway, so get some teas, some cakes, bread, coffee machine, juice. That's nice artwork. They're doing this place up as well. There's all these new tables. That's quite cool, quite nice. This is obviously the reception as well. So really nice. Get nuggets and cheeses. Oh, I've had the laughing cow. That's French. Alright, that's reception for you. Right by there. Alright, got myself 2 croissants. €2.40. And they're still lovely and warm. They are. Oh. Right, I want to eat these. Nice warm croissant. Very nice. Well, I just saw some here, but it looks like the only things they got left is actually what's in the window. I see the market's on. Should have guessed it actually. But it's a Saturday. So anyway, let's go over. But don't get one over first. So alright. First French market since probably might be 2016 actually. Of course. They don't really like, Well, my suitcase don't like the knobs. I just carry it. Reminds me of the one that we get in Maidstone every now and again. There you carrying. Ooh, €2. Ooh, lion bars. Some sweeties. Fruit. Cool. Obviously seafood. More fruit. Cheese. Goes upwards as well. That look nice. What we do is we go up, then we come down. It goes that way as well. I don't think I officially like mainly veg around this bit. You know what? We go this way. No, we won't. We go down this way first. Watermelon. Nice bit of that. Right. And it's quite hard to, because obviously my suitcase is paying up. Well, it's not because of this. I should go this way and carry on heading towards my to the train station. Back on normal. More fruit. A nice bit. Oh, jam donuts ish. So nice to. I've got to admit, I probably wouldn't check down straight away. I would have gone down and filmed this properly. But I think I've not done a bad job. Right. Some chickens, or entree they call it. Right. That smells nice. Oh, that smells very nice, that does. Right, and some flowers. Right, go down. Let's head to the train station now. Alright, nice little bonus for you. To the market. Alright. Yeah, so I've came a different way. I have. Then I came. And they remind me of the blocks of flats I saw by the train station. So we go down this way. And then I think the train station is just over there. So we'll find out, won't we? That's good. Alright, because yesterday I walked, so that's what that place is on top of the hill. But I walked along up to about here. I did. Yeah, about there I walked to. So that's what that is in the distance that we saw. But it looked like it's missing something on top now. Alright, this is where you are. And I think train station is just here. So yeah, not that far away from it, I know. So yeah. And I could have gone, I didn't explore, I've not explored this part at all. So I could have come back over. Well, actually, I think I came over here, didn't I? Yeah, I did. I went and had a look at the cinema, but I didn't do none of this over this side, or none down here. So yeah, there's still things to do. Alright. Alright, we're just getting to the train station now. So yeah, whole different route. Was it easier than the other one? Yes, part if I didn't have a suitcase, because where I went, it did not like suitcase at all. So yeah, I'm doing my brother's pet peeve. I'm walking on the road. Technically, I'm walking in a car park actually. So there we are. There's a train station. So yeah. Oh, like a load more illegals down there. That's it, right. Alright. It is a quite big train station. But for a big train station, there ain't much here. I'd say there might be more shops there at one point. And that's only shut now. And obviously that's all shut as well. So yeah. Right. And it doesn't even stay open all day either. More artwork. So far this has been a journey for artwork. Alright, my train's in. Well, I think it's in. That's the one I want. It's not number one. Don't think it's actually in yet. It's another place I need to get back to at some point. I only did a passing journey through it. I did many years ago. And I do mean many years ago. Cool. Alright. Platform 1 for Calais. Alright. I wonder if they actually use this side. I got a feeling they don't. Because the amount of weeds on this track on this side. I say they don't use these platforms no more. I don't. Here comes the train. Not for mine anyway. That's to Arnhem, Belgium. If I remember rightly. Double decker. Maybe not. Nah, not a double decker. Well, this is what the local train looks like. It's not bad at all. A lot better than the UK versions. So yeah. Well, I've got 26 minutes till I get into Calais, and then I've got to get off and wait for the Dunkerque one. So yeah. So I have 38 minutes in Calais. So I'll give myself 25 minutes to go and get something to eat and come back. So yeah. So probably I'll go up to the top part, not the bottom part. So because I would like to get back into Calais and do a bit of exploring, but I don't think that's going to happen on this trip. Sadly. Oh well, life I am. You know, who knows? Anyway, we're off. We're off to see the wizard. The Wiz. Do. Quite a lot of people go off this train actually, so it does show how much tourists Boulogne still gets. I mean, Boulogne is a lovely city. I can easily come back here and redo things, but I think I did need one more night. There was some couple bits more I could have done as well. That's where I came from, down there. I could have done a bit more exploring. Never know, might have found some more gems. But anyway, we're just going above the top of the town now, the old castle. I'm not sure if we're able to see it. I think we go under. Yeah, we're in the train. We're in a tunnel now. Woohoo! Tunnel! And see you later, train station. Don't think as many goes to that one now. But yeah, right. See you later, Boulogne. Now to Calais. Alright, pulling into the first stop. Swimming pool. Bet he's gonna love using that today. It's on that side. There ain't nothing here anyway. Oh, no, it's here. Look at that old building. I don't know, that's like in use at all. That looks like a bunker behind that actually. I can't tell if it is or not, but the concrete sort of like says to me bunker. Don't look like garages, so I can see the garages how they're built. But I reckon that is an old bunker. I do. Yeah, I do reckon that is a bunker. If you look by the concrete, that's what it looks, how it looks like. So yeah. And we're off. Yeah, pretty certain.
Prochain arrêt, Calais Ville.
Station that's new. Well, not long to go now. I can see Calais in the distance, I can. So it looks like it only does one stop. Oh, but on the board it said 2. But there was when we stopped at that last stop, there was an announcement. A lot more stayed there for a while, and then a lot more people got off. So maybe they said basically we're not stopping at the next stop. Or I misunderstood it. Pretty soon I didn't. I'm sure none of these trains have moved actually since the last couple of days I was here. I know my nephew will love this video with the trains. Choo choo, choo choo, choo choo. Nice church. Nice bit of artwork. Something they definitely do more of around here than we do in the UK. And we're here, back at Calais, aim for a little bit, then back on the train, and going to get something to eat now. So next one is the Dunkerque one, at 12 minutes past 2, I mean 2 minutes past 12, don't think you see it on my camera, but yeah. Alright, that's a little shop. Alright, let's go and get something to eat. The times I've been to Calais, I have, yeah, I haven't liked this journey too much. There's lovely War Museum in here. There is. Missy? There is. But sadly, I haven't got time today to do it. Oh, I think they're opening up soon. I still need to do this. So it seems the average price is €2.50 for a small. I'll probably get a large. Don't know, but it won't be today anyway. So yeah. So there's that War Museum. It's literally down. It's literally there. But I just haven't got time to do it. Plus, I got a suitcase. You know what I mean? Yeah. Lovely little park as well, actually. Really is a nice park. But sadly, I haven't got the time. I mean, one of the reasons why, there's 2 reasons actually why I want to come back to Calais on this trip if I can. One, to do that War Museum that I went just gone past, around a suitcase. 2, do Finch's toy shop that's down here. And 3, go down to the beach and go to, there's a big bunker down the bottom, and there's a what do you call it? Oh, lighthouse you can go up. So, not sure if the lighthouse is still open to the public, but you know. But yeah, that's lovely. I love war monuments, I do. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Hey? Where we honour our dead. Well, he's a French dead, but you know what I mean. Alright. Yeah, it won't be opening up to 12, so I won't be getting any of them chips. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to go up this part of the road, then come back down another side, and basically I want to look for some stamps as well, mainly the post office and get them in, and in paper shops. Used to be in the paper shops as well, don't know if they still are. Basic things don't like changing a lot of things, you know, probably still are, but yeah. I also got to remember I don't have long. See, I would say I'll come back tomorrow, but tomorrow is Sunday. Picture. Think this is that anime shop now. Alright, cool. Well, it's not cool because I ain't got time to go into it. Oh, maybe. There's an entrance. Maybe I'll go in here. Yeah. Alright, cool. Well, I haven't really got time. But it's nice that it's being used again. So yeah, so that's another thing for me to do. But maybe see, Monday I want to go to Lille. So Sunday most things will be shut because they still quite like that over here. I don't know what to do really. I could come here on Monday and then go to Lille afterwards. Bit of a expensive day out, if you know what I mean. But then I can kill two birds with one stone. But I think the next trip to Calais will be, who knows, at least a year or two down the line. I would love to be back in the next 6 months. But I know it's not going to happen. But I got my Tokyo trip to do. And yeah, what a lovely building. What a lovely building. Ex-bank, I would have said at one point. I do. Some nice cakes in there. See, and the thing is, you still get postcards in France. Can't in the UK. I think you got check the time, because I got to head back. Yeah, so once it hits 12 o'clock, everything shuts for 2 hours. Well, not everything, but a good percentage does. Yeah, there's a curry supermarket in there, curry fish, a curry flour, I can't say the bloody word, supermarket in there. But again, just don't really have time. I think what I'm going to do is, well, am I actually hungry? Not really. Will I do a Macau and get something to eat while I'm just thinking about it? Yeah, but I'm not. Yeah, well, I just looked at the time, it's 11:38, so it's taking me about 10 minutes to get here, so we head back now, so it should take me 48. Would like to get a cold one, so yeah. I would say I'll come here when I go to Paris and have a break. Only problem, my train leaves at 7 o'clock in the morning in Dunkerque, so no point. No point. So I think my choice is Monday, get a single to here, and then a single to back to Lille, because it's a city, so it'll be open, things should be open later, and then we'll stop. Yeah, so I mean that's my idea. I see this is still empty. Don't know if it's been reused since the last time I saw, but it was empty the last time I came. Yeah, radio station, I think. Sorry about that, it sounds like the train, but that is my suitcase. So yeah. The problem is, one of the things I'm thinking of doing on the Monday, I know that shop's not open. It literally only opens a couple of days a week. Days are only days actually open that I know of certain, and I think it's like Thursday and Friday. So you know, I'm not going to get to him this time. But I am getting to one in Paris that I've never been into, but I saw it on Leicester Toy Shops when they did the tour, and saw that, so I've got it saved, so I will be going to there. So I think I will cancel my idea what I planned for Monday. I think I will go straight to Lille and do what I want around there and have a hunt. Well, there's a bakery down here, but do we? Don't we? Don't know. Well, I'm on the train. It's already in, so I'll make straight on. No aircon on at the moment, so it's a little bit warm on here, but not as warm as Thailand. Anyway, I didn't get any food. I got myself a drink. OSS. I would say it's a French brand. I'm not sure I've seen it in the UK. If I have, I just haven't paid attention. So yeah, I'm gonna try a drink. Right, then we're off. Right, looks like we're here. That next stop. Grandi Sachin.
Destination Dunkerque, prochain arrêt.
Well, they definitely don't lose them tracks no more over there. Blimey. Cool. Yeah, main stop's over there. I like the artwork. I've definitely seen a lot of artwork on this trip so far.
Messieurs, il est midi 44 de notre train arrive en gare de Dunkerque pour terminer voiture et vous donnez rien de plus à votre place. Pour votre sécurité, veuillez attendre l'arrêt complet du train avant de descendre et prenez garde à la hauteur entre le marchepied et le quai. SNCF, la région de France ainsi que son
Not much left of that building.
Merci et vous souhaite une bonne après-midi. Destination de Paris-Gare du Nord, midi 54, voie 2.
They do like the shows. It's something we don't really have in the UK a lot of, but they definitely do here. We're at Dunkirk.
Have a good day.
And we're here. And here we walk over the tracks. There ain't no tunnels or nothing on this one, as you can see from over there. Now I can hear people in the UK going, oh, that's not safe. It's just normal. It's what we used to do in the UK at one point. And I'll tell you something, you can tell there's a beach here. Oh, these are beach people, I guaranteed you. Alright, see you in a minute. As you see, I got over the tracks. But yeah, I'll say a lot of people are coming here for the beach. Oh, I gotta go and find my hotel now. I am. Yeah, it's been 8 years since I last been here. It's 2017 I came. So yeah. Cool, definitely a lot of changes since then. Cool. That wasn't here last time. That lot down there wasn't there. Cool. Right, I need to find my directions and get to my hotel. Right, I'll go down this way. I'll probably get a bus to near it, but although I'm not really sure, I will. Well, I should walk. Yeah, it means I get my steps in. I need one over, lady. Pushchair's running away as well. Do like that, yeah. Alright, it's roughly about 10 minutes journey. I guaranteed you probably get lost. But obviously I'll be coming back to here. See, all this has definitely been redone. Gotta admit, I wish I found that hotel. It'd be a lot more better. Right by the centre. That's really cool, but I'll come back to that. For real. The penguin. There's a penguin. So yeah, people definitely come here. I admit, I bet if I look on the hotel prices now, I bet they're well expensive. Alright. So see the saves back of the buildings like we do. Well, that's the fun. That's good, really. Alright. I will see next time you see me will be the hotel. Maybe. Alright. I'll tell you one thing. You definitely got more choices for food here. I've got a feeling Dunkirk is actually quite big in a sense. Because the town centre's this way as well. Oh, that's all new over there. No, I said you weren't going to see me when I get it up, but that's it new over there. The little shopping centre.
It does. Blimey, he's going somewhere. Hungry burger. Alright. Haircut. And a burger beside. Big subway over there. Alright. So yeah. Bank maybe. But anyway. We will explore this town then afterwards. Alright. I know I probably can't check in yet, but I can leave my bag. And if they, there it is. If they got a bar or somewhere I can get a drink, rest for an hour. It is bloody hot. It is. But yeah, there it is. It's what I call in a okay location. It's, you know, it's about 10 minutes away from the beach and about 20 minutes away from the shops. So not bad. Last time I stayed here I actually was on the beach, and that's half an hour away. You know. So there it is. Cool. Alright, here we are. Probably can't get in yet, well, check in yet. But if I'm lucky, they've got aircon on. Never know, might be able to check in. Quite nice and posh. I do like the rocking chair. What we got here? Alright. Yeah. Alright. Oh, I'll show you that lot in a minute. Right. I can check in. Right, so I've got to go to the sea floor. Well, the sea level. So yeah. So obviously, toilets and condoms. Well, not just condoms actually. So yeah. I was going to make a move, I was actually. And parking. Well, I keep going this way. Right. Conference. See? There's A and B's and C's. Right. Whoa. Right, this way. I'm in dungeons or something. Now I'm in the lift. To one floor. Alright, that's my floor. Oh, look, got a record. Right, let's go and check in. Well, let's go in my room. Alright, I'm now in the room, so I'm going to end the vlog. You will see a room tour of this separately, but I'll take you on a quick look around it. And I can tell you one thing, I can swing a cat in here. Not like the last one, but then it was family one. This is a business jobby. So, yeah, anyway, that's it. Ending the travel day from here. And I'm going to start a new one now for the next lot. But yeah, right, let's get going. And enjoy this video. Don't forget, give me a thumbs up. Please share, please subscribe, and I'll see you all another day.